Are you ready to embark on a journey of love with your student life? Then look no further than Parkway Gate, Manchester, where your perfect match awaits. Imagine cozy studios, convenient en-suites, and one-bedroom apartments complete with a plush bed and a dedicated study area with a comfortable chair. And for those inevitable snack cravings, stroll over to the vending machine and indulge anytime the mood strikes. But the real magic happens in the common area, a vibrant hub where friendships are forged and adventures begin in this unfamiliar city. But that's not all. Parkway Gate goes above and beyond to ensure your academic success with communal study space, providing the ideal sanctuary for tackling assignments and mastering your subjects. It's the epitome of work-life balance, with Manchester Metropolitan University just a short stroll away, and charming cafes like Fiore Cafe and Cafe Fresco beckoning for study breaks. And when you crave moments of solitude, lose yourself in the tranquility of Home Park just a stroll away. Are you worried about travel expenses? Fear not, for the nearest bus stop, Cambridge Street/Chester Street, is a hop, skip, and jump away, with Home Street being just a pleasant stroll away. So why wait? Seize the opportunity to love, live, and create unforgettable memories at Parkway Gate, Manchester. If you're ready to embrace the vibrant spirit of this city, then head straight to amberstudent.com to secure your spot today.